So today Kyle and I are installing the Maxx fan Deluxe. Basically this is the beast of a fan that a lot of van lifers or RVers use to ventilate their van. So we chose this one because we live in the desert, and during monsoon season we need to still be able to ventilate the fan even when it's raining, which this one provides. So you can still have that ventilation going and the fan going even when it's raining with the Deluxe edition. It's really nice because it comes with a remote control. The mounting plates, this one you cut to the length that you need to work for your space. Instruction manual, and it also comes with screws and little mounting brackets. So this is a wall mount for the remote, which is pretty cool. The underneath is the fan, and it has a bug shield that I read is really easy to take out and clean. And then this, if you don't have power, you can still manually operate your fan, open or close it. So pretty excited. Is vacuuming up the shavings, but we have a hole! The MaxxAir fan is in. Yeah. Haven't hooked it up to power yet. So yeah. But it's installed. Okay, go. crazy. And it'll still work. That's so cool. Closed. That's so awesome.